ito na, ang mga graduates natin. Ano guys, okay ba? I'm happy being able to support and facilitate.
Sobrang na-boost niya yung confidence ko.
Ang ginagawa namin is we're recording, meron kaming activity.
We're creating 3 topics na meron kaming similarity.
Hindi porket na may mas makinang na ilaw, wala ka ng sariling kinang. So dito tayo ngayon sa head office ng ECPC kung saan magkoconduct tayo ng podcast workshop. And I'm excited kasi itong mga kausap ko are people behind the production ng mga podcast or mga talking head content ng ECPC. So let's see if makakatulong nga ba tayo sa proseso nila and how they create content such as podcasts. Tara! So right now, nag-uusap sila. They're sharing about who they are, what they do, ano ba yung pinaka-role nila sa organization. And let's see ano yung mag-experience nila after this part.
Nagpe-prepare kami para sa activity namin na ginagawa, which is for podcast.
We are doing the pre-recording preparation dito sa ECPC.
Preparation namin sa topic namin. Nag-set lang kami ng mga question na interested kami parehas.
So right now, yan, gumagawa na kami ng script para well-prepared kami for these activities.
So in a moment, we'll walk through specific sa setup for the recording device, the lights, and the microphone. What happens behind the scenes. So yun yung papakita natin sa kanila. Okay, so we're halfway through the workshop and I'm happy because we got to experience firsthand ano ba nangyayari in the back end. Tapos nagkaroon pa ng medyo aberya doon sa audio. Apparently, what they're using right now is Hollyland na 4 transmitters. But the feature of that transmitter is dalawang transmitter on the left, dalawang transmitter on the right. So literal, when we were hearing it or checking the audio, kaliwa lang yung pumapalo. And yun, we just figured out eventually. So we got to experience that. So a lot of the participants right now, some of them hindi naman talaga aware what happens behind the scenes, paano mag-set up ng ilaw, ng mirrorless camera. They mostly use their phones. At least they get to experience it. Mamaya we'll be recording episodes, videos, and we'll edit them as well. So tara! Working lunch tayo guys, working lunch. So figure out kung ano ang common things nyo with your body para makapag-decide kayo kung ano yung topic nyo for later. Kasi you will record with your body. Minsan lang kayo mag-usap.
Ngayon lang kami nakapag-usap, actually.
Imaginein mo 10 years na sila kung sumutotal natin 10 years. Pero ngayon lang sila nag-usap. Guys, mag-usap-usap kayo.
Pagawa kami ng pre-recording preparation para sa aming activity.
3 topic na naisip, which is syempre yung mga common sa amin.
Abangan niyo yung performance sa akin namaya.
See you later.
Being able to choose the proper sequencing to tell a complete story. Hindi man pwede na hook lang, tapos walang context. So hindi pwede yun. Huwag tayo maging clickbaitish na we're not gonna give value or more information. May customer na pumasok sa store kasi nakita yung content mo. Tapos pagkapasok dun, hindi pala yun ang totoong in-offer mo, di ba?
What was your biggest takeaway?
Ngayong araw sa naging workshop natin is technically the knowledge, the fundamentals, kung ano yung mga susundan, ano yung mga okay, ano yung mga hindi, or ano yung mas magandang gawin.
Start before you feel ready.
The actual creation nung naka-podcast setup, it's exposed as kung ano talaga yung nangyayari.
Inopen niya yung mind ko na you can do more, hindi ka lang mag-i-stick doon.
Lalo sa kagaya namin, we're doing contents.
How did this workshop help you?
It refreshed my confidence.
Ang laking help nito when it comes to myself kasi bukod sa nagagamit ko na siya sa work, na-enhance ko pa yung skill ko.
This workshop helped a lot technically and value-wise, honestly. Would you recommend this and why?
Yes, of course!
Para sa lahat ng gustong mag-improve or gumaling or matuto, of course, it's a yes.
Definitely yes. Kasi sobrang worth it nung training na to or seminar na to.
Super thankful ako kay ECPC kasi na-experience ko yung gantong klaseng workshop even once in a lifetime sa buhay ko.
And finally, the workshop has concluded. It's an experience, it's an honor for me to conduct this kind of workshop dito sa ECPC. Maraming salamat ECPC. Ito na, ang mga graduates natin. Ano guys, okay ba? So if you want to have the same kind of workshop to your company, to your business, reach out lang Pod Voice or my personal page, Brian Ardiales. Message lang kayo and we'll have this kind of workshop to your organization.